Hi everyone and welcome to my presentation. I'm Dong Li, the representative from Southern University College. So today I will present a project entitled FixIt and Foliage Frenzy. So as the name stated here, it is actually a home service provider system. So the name FixIt is referring to piping and wiring services, Foliage is referring to gardening service, and lastly, the frenzy is referring to runner service. The reason why we choose these four features as our main services is based on the observation and also interviewing people voting for these four main essential services. The problem statement that we notice is we do not have an app that can gather all important functions. So many individuals are struggle to access essential services and complete their tasks independently. And the second one is it is difficult for those who living alone, being elderly, or having disabilities to get the services. They might be not familiar to use different platforms to order the service. And lastly, it is hard to find reliable services. Finding a trustworthy and competent service providers can be a time-wasting task. There is a need for a system that ensures the quality of service providers. Next, it is our project objective. The first one is to reach the conveniences. By providing a centralized platform for accessing the services, this system aims to ensure that users can easily connect with qualified professionals to meet their needs. And then the second one, it can ensure the security. This system also aims to establish a network of trusted service providers who adhere to high standards. And then the next one is to save time and also increase the work efficiency. This system become a clone helper for each user, which can help them when they are busy. Lastly, it can facilitate the economic opportunities. By offering a platform to show their skills, this system will aim to empower service providers to grow their business and expand their customer base. And the next is the technology or method that we will be using in this system. The first one is Flutter, which is a mobile app development system. And the second one is Laravel, which is the back end or the server side of the system. And then the last one is MySQL database.
Now we proceed to the user interface of mobile application. So for user, they can choose to register or log in. Alright, once they are logged in, they can proceed to our home page. Here is the system description, and they can also click read more to view the service detail. Or they can also click on book online to view our services. Our services are categorized based on four main categories, which is piping, wiring, gardening, and also runner. If user click on book now, it will show the available date and time for these services, and they can also choose their preference company. The system will prompt the users to locate their location using Google Maps, or users can enter their address manually, and once they click search, the system will show the available company based on the user's radius. If the user do not like the company provided below, they can also choose from others company. But those company are far from users, and there will be extra charges per km, which is 10 ringgit. When the users has completed their booking, they can view their booking history here. And here is our contact us page, about us page, and also profile page. For users' profile, they can edit their name and also phone number and birth date. And for these member points, users can allocate the point to redeem the rewards. They can view their bookings here, and they need to add their wallet in case they want to make online payment. Users can also save their address here, and here is their profile. One more thing that I want to highlight is that we provide this emergency button for users. In case when they are using the service but they are feeling insecure, they can press this button anytime. Once they click on the button, the admin will receive the notification and call the police. It is to protect our user, and if the user accidentally click on it, they can click cancel too. For vendors, they can proceed by clicking this button. Here is their company name and also the operating hours. For their SSM and business license, all necessary documents are needed to be uploaded and verified by our admin. They can also view their identity authentication here, about their company details. So for the services, they can manage their service here, whether they want to edit, hide or delete, and also add new service or search for a service. Then next is the booking request. So currently the vendor booking request is empty, And then next is their wallet. So they need to add their wallet to receive the payment, and also the service history here. So here is the admin management system. They are using a website to manage it. Here is the example of dashboard. And for admin, they can verify the vendors here, manage the vendors, whether they want to search, hide, edit, or delete a vendor. They can also read the vendor details here. They can also manage the list of services and also list of users. Lastly, the list of rewards. They can also view their account and also log out. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.